This is brain plant. It looks like very similar to our human brains. See the patterns. It looks like our brain itself is in dry mode. This plant is in dry mode from very long time, I think. So now we will make it alive. We will make it alive by giving it some little bit of water. After keeping it for 2 or 3 days of time, it will blossom. It will become greenish and it will be alive for very long period of time. Because of the patterns and the design, it looks like our human brain. We can call it as brain plant. The actual name is different. As of now, I am not aware. The scientific name will be different, but it looks like our human brain. So if you find something, just try it once. After 2 or 3 days of time, it become like this. If you see, the leaves are alive, greenish because of this water. Now it becomes very beautiful.